Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Apple ID password if you forgot it. So let's start the video. First open settings on iPhone and tap on your iCloud sign. Scroll down and sign out. Now obviously if you want to reset Apple ID password then you don't know the password. Now what you have to do here is to enter any wrong password. He said verification failed or wrong password. Then you once again enter wrong password. Now you can see he said reset password. So tap on the reset password. Now you see he is asking your iPhone passcode. If you forgot your Apple ID password, you can remember the screen password. Just enter the passcode. And now you can change the Apple ID password. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.